Okay.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, and all dear friends.
Language is magical, isn't it?
Yes,
From one letter word like R to powerful 10-letter word like confidence, each word carries meaning, emotion, and impact.
words can heal or hurt, build or break, inspire or isolate. And today we present a unique and thought-provoking skit that takes you on a journey through words from smallest to the strongest, that is from letter I to confidence.
It's not just about alphabets, it's about attitude, actions, and awareness. So get ready to see the words come alive on the stage like never before. We invite you to enjoy this beautiful presentation by our class 6th B.
Hello friends, I am Kai. I am very selfish, always thinking about myself.
Hi, I am me, a two-letter word which shows you togetherness. I am ego. Ego is the most dangerous three-letter word that breaks the relation. Hello friends, I am love, a beautiful four-letter word which is essential for every relation. Hello, I am smile, a five-letter word that make you look beautiful. So smile, please. I am rumor, the most dangerous six-letter word. All ignore it and never believe it. Hello, I am success, a seven-letter word which makes you famous all around the world. Hello friends, I am jealousy, the most negative eight-letter word which spoils your whole life. I am knowledge, the nine-letter word with full of wisdom and intelligence acquiring it. I am confidence, the most powerful 10-letter word which improves your personality. Be confident.
Now let us learn which word we should adapt in our life and which word we should reject. I, we, ego, love, smile, rumor, success, jealousy, knowledge, and confidence.
Now we have learned which word we should adapt in our life and which word we should reject. The words which we should adapt in our life are we, love, smile, knowledge, success, and confidence.
And the word which we should reject in our life are I, ego, rumor, and jealousy. Each word which we saw today was not just a word, it was a reflection of human thought, action, and emotion.
This activity reminded us that words may look small on paper, but their impact can be huge in real life. With to that, we bring our creative journey from a one-letter word to a 10-letter to a meaningful close.
Words shape our thought and thought shape our word. So let us use our words wisely to learn, to share, to care, and to grow.
We hope this performance made you to reflect, smile, and maybe even rethink how you use words in your own life.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
Oh, wonderful is also a 10-letter word. Thank you.